PwC's Financial Reporting Data Dictionary and Lineage Analyzer is one of many accelerators PwC has developed to help its clients with the adoption of FASB's targeted improvements to long-duration insurance contracts, or LDTI. The purpose of the Data Dictionary and Lineage Analyzer is to provide users the ability to drill into relevant inputs and metadata details for any given LDTI data element. Users will be able to review what inputs are used in the calculation of a given data element, as well as review the elements and inputs that feed relevant disclosure requirements for the new standard. Given the variety of characteristics and filters available to parse, this tool can be used across each of the finance, actuarial, and IT groups. When first accessing the visualization tool, users will be directed to a landing page showing the available views. The available views are the data lineage view, where users can explore what inputs build a given reporting element, the detail view, where users can drill deeper into specific data inputs and reporting outputs, and the data overview, where users can filter the data into meaningful groupings to understand at a high level the complexity of the grouping. Clicking on the first view, the data lineage view, users are able to select and drill into data elements, which enable them to better understand what inputs are used to create a given reporting element. At the top of the screen, users can see the various products and reporting groups to which data elements are applicable, as well as a count of the elements in the current view broken out into a count of reporting outputs and related inputs. By clicking on any of the graphics at the top of the screen, users can narrow the view to only those elements contained in their desired category. Next, by clicking on any element in the leftmost column, users are able to see the lineage of required inputs, as well as understand some of the element's complexity by hovering the cursor over the plus sign next to a chosen element, hovering over the plus sign of an input element, or by checking the updated graphics and element count at the top of the screen. As users walk through the lineage of a given element and want to better understand the element or its inputs, they can move to the detail view using the menu ribbon at the top of the page. Within the detail view, users can see a listing of all elements and inputs that include additional detail about the element, such as applicable products, business definitions to understand how the element is used, and metadata such as the element type and origin to understand where an element or input is sourced from within the system. Users can also see a reference to the specific LDTI guidance which necessitates a given element. When users would like to step back and understand the complexity of data at a higher level, they can use the menu ribbon at the top of the screen to move to the Data Overview tab. Within this tab, users are able to filter elements by product or output system of record. This view can be used to understand at a high level how complex the data may be for a given product, or to understand how elements stored in a given system, such as a policy administration system or valuation system, are used in reporting for different product types. For example, users have the option to click on any system of record in the graphic, which will filter the data to show the number of data elements housed in the selected system, as well as provide a breakout of the number of elements feeding into each product. In this way, users are able to obtain a high-level understanding of the relative complexity for a given workstream. PwC's Data Dictionary and Lineage Analyzer tool is one of many accelerators we have developed to help clients adopt the new LDTI standard. The whole suite of accelerators are available to be linked as applicable to provide comprehensive analysis when determining and documenting the impact of LDTI adoption.